Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about hydrates. Overall, all elements in the periodic table except noble gases combines with the hydrogen element to form binary compounds. That binary compounds is called hydrates. Overall, S black elements, P black elements, D black elements, F black elements, they are all elements reacts with hydrogen to form their hydrates. But noble gases do not form the hydrates. Overall, hydrates is classified into three types. Number one, ionic hydrates. It is also called saline hydrates or stoichiometric hydrates. So already we know that about ionic hydrates. These ionic hydrates formed by highly electropositive nature of S black elements combines with the hydrogen to form ionic hydrates. Second one, molecular hydrates or covalent hydrates. Third one, metallic hydrates. So today we are discuss about covalent hydrates. Overall, all P black elements combine with the hydrogen element to form their hydrates, but here except noble gases. Remaining all P black elements reacts with the hydrogen element to form their hydrates. So overall, P black elements contain number of metals and non-metals also. These metals and non-metals reacts with hydrogen to form their hydrates. So overall, these covalent hydrates is also called molecular hydrates. Okay, covalent hydrates is also called molecular hydrates. These molecular hydrates or covalent hydrates is classified into three types. That is, number one, electron deficient hydrates. And second one, electron precious hydrates. And third one, electron rich hydrates. Okay, so overall covalent hydrates or molecular hydrates classified into three types. Number one, electron deficient hydrates. Second one, electron precious hydrates or electron exact hydrates also. And third one, electron rich hydrates. So what is the meaning of electron deficient or electron precious or electron rich hydrates? Overall, already we know that about Lewis structure. Okay, already we know that about Lewis structure in the 10th class. So overall, which hydrates less electrons or low electrons to write the Lewis structure. So which hydrates contain less electrons or low electrons to write the Lewis structure. That type of hydrates is also called electron deficient hydrate. Deficient just like mean less or low electrons. Okay, so overall all 13th group elements are 3rd group elements to form electron deficient hydrates. So which elements are 13th group? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, they are all 13th group elements. So these group elements to form electron deficient hydrides. Suppose for example, so boron form B2H6. Boron hydride. B2H6 means boron hydride, or it is also called diborane. So these diborane contain 2 electrons less to write the Lewis structure. Okay, 2 electrons less to write the Lewis structure. So just like it has a electron deficient hydride. Okay, next further electron precious hydrides or electron exact hydrides. Overall, which hydrides contain exact hydrides to write the Lewis structure? Okay, so electron precious hydrides are exact hydrides. Which hydrides contain exact electrons to write the Lewis structure? That type of hydrides is called electron exact hydrides or electron precious hydrides. Suppose for example 14th group elements to form electron precious hydride. Suppose for example CH4 methane. So we write the Lewis structure of methane, carbon. So bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. So overall it is the Lewis structure of methane. So it is participate the Lewis structure. So it has contained exact electrons to write the Lewis structure. So this type of hydrides is also called electron exact hydrides. Okay, so it is also to participate the octet rule. How many electrons? 2, 2, 2, 2. So total 8. So bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. Overall, carbon bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. CH4. CH4 means carbon bond H, carbon bond H, carbon bond H, carbon bond H. So each bond contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Total 8 electrons. Okay, so it is obey the octet rule. Overall, so it has exact electrons to write the Lewis structure. This type of hydrides is called electrons precious hydride. Okay, next last one. So electron rich hydrides or more hydrides. So overall, which hydrides contain very high electrons? Okay, very high electrons to write the Lewis structure. That type of hydrides is called electron rich hydrides or electron more hydrides. Suppose for example nitrogen or oxygen. So nitrogen is the 15th group element. Oxygen is the 16th group elements. So 15th group or 16th group elements to form electron rich hydrides. Suppose for example NH3 ammonia or H2O water molecule. Overall nitrogen in ammonia, nitrogen contain one lone pair and H2O contain in oxygen contain two lone pairs in H2O. Okay, so more electrons we write the electronic configuration or we write the Lewis structure. Okay, so ammonia and water molecules, these two compounds contain more electrons. We write the Lewis structure. So this type of hydrides, so nitrogen hydride or oxygen hydride, this type of hydrides is also called electron rich hydrides or electron more hydrides. Okay, so overall P black elements to form different types of hydrides, that is electron deficient hydrides and electron precious hydrides or exact hydrides, or last one electron rich hydrides or more hydrides. Okay, so it is mainly which hydrides is less electrons to write the Lewis structure. That type of hydrides is electron deficient hydrides. Which hydrides contain exact hydrides to write the Lewis structure? That type of hydrides is electron exact or precious hydrides. Which hydrides very high electrons to write the Lewis structure? That type of hydrides is called electron rich hydrides or more hydrides. So this is hydrides. Further we are discuss about metallic hydrides further class. Okay. 10 నిమిషాలు